Children, the writings are in textbook. Please go through that. I will read for you. Then the play will continue. The scroll read, "You that choose not by the view, chance as fair, and choose as true, since this fortune falls to you. Be content and seek no new. If you be well pleased with this, and hold your fortune for your bliss, turn you where your lady is, and claim her with a loving kiss. You who chose this casket only by the looks, sorry, you who chose this caskets not only by the looks, but you studied the writings very carefully and you choose your fortune. Fortune which is for your lifetime. Since this fortune comes to you, I request be satisfied and don't seek anything new. Don't go to any other new happiness. If you are pleased with this, what you choose, please select the joy as your fortune and your love is waiting for you. Go and give the kiss to prove your love. Then a gentle scrawl. He says that a nice message. Fair lady, by your leaves, kissing her. Yes, he tells that, fair lady, with your permission, if you accept me, I will kiss you. Saying that Portia accepts and kisses her with one assured heart of love towards her. I come by note to give and to receive, like one of two contending in a prize, that thinks he hath done well in people's eyes, hearing applause and universal shout, giddy in spirit, still gazing in a doubt, whether those peals of praise be his or no. So thrice fair lady, stand I even so, as doubtful whether what I see be true, until confirmed, signed, ratified by you. With her permission, he moves ahead and kisses her and tells that I am like a person who came for competing for a prize and you are my winning prize. I come here to give and take, means to give my love and to take your love. When all others who were standing there applauded, means all clapped and with joy and congratulated him with joy for his selection of the casket, and he looked around and Bassanio tells that more than you, I am blessed thrice, lady. I am standing here to express my true love to you, and now my heart is waiting for the confirmation what you feel and what about your love. Portia. You see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand, such as I am. Though for myself alone, I would not be ambitious in my wish, to wish myself much better, yet for you, I would trouble 20 times myself, 1,000 times more fair, 10,000 times more rich. My Lord Bassanio, here I stand to assure my love. I pray in God to increase my beauty 20 times more what I am. And I pray in Lord to increase my wealth 10,000 times what it is now. Because my whole love, my whole wealth is only for you, my Lord. That only to stand high in your account. Only because I want to increase my value in your eyes. I might in virtue, beauties, livings, friends exceed accounts, but the full sum of me is sum of something which, to term in gross, is an unlessoned girl, unschooled, unpracticed, happy in this. She is not yet so old, but she may learn happier than this. She is not bred so dull, but she can learn happiest of all in that her gentle spirit commits itself to yours to be directed, as from her Lord, her governor, her king. Myself and what mine is mine. To you and yours is now converted. But now I was the Lord of this fair mansion, master of these servants, queen or myself, and even now, but now, this house, these servants, and the same myself are yours, my Lord. I give them with this ring, which when you part from, lose or give away, let it presage the ruin of your love, and be my vantage to exclaim on you. Portia continues to express her happiness where she tells that she wants to increase her beauty more and more times to keep Bassanio happy and impressed. She even wants to be most richest just to express her more and more dedications towards the love she has got in this caskets. She want to tell that I want to be more worth than what she is in terms of virtues, beauty, property, and friends. Even she tells that she want to experience, she want to learn as one untrained girl, as if she is one country girl, whatever keeps Bassanio happy. She want to learn again all the new terms of Bassanio, what she want to keep Bassanio more and more happy. And she tells that now, till now, she was the queen over herself. Now she gives the power to Bassanio. She was the mistress of her house. Now she tells that Bassanio is the new master of her house. Whatever belongs to her now belongs to Bassanio. House, servants, her own heart, love, happiness, life, everything she gives away with the ring. What she want to exchange in marriage. She tells that this ring keeps her love assured for Bassanio and tells that he should never part from the ring, means never separate from the ring. She tells that keep this ring forever because this ring keeps their love assured, her love assured. Till death, Bassanio should keep that ring to be sure of her love what she has given to Bassanio. In next slide, you will see the feelings of Bassanio towards that Portia, what she speaks now in return for the words of Bassanio when Bassanio won the casket.